Okay, we also have a simple tune-up report on a DX-94HP, also for Andrew in Idaho. Andrew over here on the watt meter. We got 0 to 100 watts. We're on the dummy load. Power all the way up. Got your 30 watt carrier. I know you said you had a 4-pill to drive, so we gave you a lot of range here. Power all the way down is 2. You should find yourself a nice little spot somewhere in there for your 4-pill. All the way up is 30 on this peak reading meter is 250 watts.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
About 130 watts of swing there. Oh, let's do sideband real fast.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
About 120 sideband. Let's put some echoes.
Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check, check. I said breaker 19 for radio check, come on. Anybody out there hear my radio break? I know we got 9 pounds of noise, but there's got to be someone not too far away. Come on. I hear you say it's working.